guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you the exact twist out that I did last week using the products that I used last week. So I already have leave-in in. I'm really tired, but I'm in a filming mood, so I have to do this. No, it's like nighttime, so if you hear me whispering a little bit, that's why. All right, so I used the Camille Rose water leave-in, no, Camille Rose coconut water leave-in treatment. Let me get that. So this is what's already in my hair, and this is also to demonstrate what I do, how I do the liquid cream oil method during the fall. And also I forgot to mention in the last video, during the fall and winter and cold time, I tend to do just strictly twist outs. So you won't get me doing wash and goes. Either I'm doing a twist out or it's gonna be a full protective style like braids or faux locks or something like that. So that is why I was specifically speaking about twist outs in my last video about what I do with my hair during when the times it gets cold, so fall and winter. All right, so enough chit chat. Let me get into the twist out. My hair is already sectioned, already has leave-in in there. That is the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in treatment already in there. And I have a shower cap on there to keep the heat in my hair because I'm low porosity. So I try to keep as much heat in there so that my products will absorb better. Now, I'm gonna go through this kind of fast because I don't want my hair to dry out, and I try to do my twist so I won't have to add extra water. All right, so let's go. And this is another reason I add leave-in in the shower, how it's completely absorbed into my hair. Yeah, it's completely absorbed into my hair by the time I get out of the shower. So yeah. All right, I need clips. So you're gonna need clips to hold your hair separate. That will help you to go faster. And you're gonna need a detangling tool. Okay, so the reason I have a towel around my shoulders is because my hair is like dripping wet, and that's how I tend to style my hair. That's how I would recommend you to style your hair. Well, it depends on your porosity. Do what's best for your porosity. I'm just speaking about my low porosity hair. All right, have my clips. Gonna start at the front this time. I normally start at the backs, but I tried to switch it up. I have satin scrunchies out as well because I couldn't find all of my clips. Okay, so here we go. Leave-in already in. Now I'm gonna add the Camille Rose Almond Joy twisting butter. So that's what I'm adding to my hair throughout for all these twists. Not using too much. And make sure I specifically put some on the ends and then work the product in. Yeah, I don't know what my camera just did, but yeah, and make sure I add product specifically to the end and work it in with my fingers first. My hair was already detangled from when I washed in the shower, so it's not that detangled. I'm just working it in, running my fingers through it, make sure there's no knots that I missed. Then gonna use my detangling brush, work the product in some more, and I'm always starting from ends to roots. All right, don't want your hair to dry out, so twist fast. Here, I'm gonna do a tight, make sure they're tight, not tight to where they'll put pressure on my hair, but tight enough to where the definition will be on point. And like I said, I'm twisting super fast because I don't want my hair to dry out. Like, it's okay if you have to add extra water. I guess I'm just being lazy. because I just can't be bothered to add extra water. Okay, and then like right about, I won't twist all the way to the end. I'll just make sure all the excess goes down to the end, excess products. Twirl it, get that twirl. Oh yeah, so it was in my way. I'm adding a little more and twist. Make sure holding it firm, not loose. Twist, 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 twist. Make sure you're smoothing down as you go. This wasn't really a twist out tutorial. It kind of turned into that, but oh well. Twisting, twisting, twisting. And I get to the ends, you see all that excess? And twirl it around my finger. Yeah. So I don't twist all the way to the end. That also helps when I'm taking it out too. And then next section. Okay, I'm finally done. That only took like 25 minutes, which I think is a new record for me because it's normally like a 40-minute job. But normally, thinking about it, normally when I'm twisting, I'm watching TV, so I'm not going as fast. So anyway, twists are all done. I'm gonna use my oil now, and I just use a light oil, and you can use whatever oil you like. It's really not that serious. And this is how much oil is in my hand, which is not much. Rub it together, and it's gonna do for my whole head. And my hair is still very much wet. Not even damp, it's wet. So even with the oil, like you see I just did, I already twirled with the cream, but I twirl with the oil as well to get my ends. You know, you want to baby those ends. It's the oldest part of your hair. So, yep. And then now with these twists, I am going to keep them in probably for 2-3 days. Probably 2 days. It will take about 2 days for them to dry. So I'm going to keep them in for 2 days. And then on the 3rd day, I shall remove them, and we're gonna have a pop-in twist out. And I might, since that I already was talking about this twist out from a previous video, I might make a 3rd video of me taking them out. I like takeout videos, I don't know why, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. But I might make a 3rd video of me taking it out and styling my hair as well. These twists look so good. They're all moisturized, juicy, and shiny. Yeah, and my hair smells great too. You know, that's a big thing for me. So yeah, smells good, moisturized, happy hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it helped you. If it didn't help, I hope it entertained, and you have a great day.